In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Zoho Books. To get started, sign in to your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard where you can access the tools needed to manage your sales and billing. If you're new to the platform, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct organization before moving forward. Next, open the Invoice section by clicking Sales and then selecting Invoices. This area shows your existing invoices and gives you the option to create a new one. To begin, click the plus New button and choose Invoice. This opens the invoice creation form. Now, select a customer in the customer name field. This is important because the invoice details, payment expectations, and contact information are tied to that customer record. After that, review the invoice number field. In many cases, Zoho Books fills this in automatically, but it's always a good idea to confirm that the number follows your billing sequence. If your process requires it, enter an order number. This can help connect the invoice to a purchase order or internal reference. Then choose the invoice date, which determines when the invoice is issued. After that, set the payment terms and review the due date. Make sure the due date matches the agreement you have with the customer. Next, choose the appropriate account in the Accounts Receivable field. This ensures the invoice is recorded correctly in your books. If applicable, select a salesperson. This can be useful for tracking sales performance or internal reporting. Then enter a subject for the invoice. A clear subject can make the invoice easier to identify later. Now you can add the invoice items. Click the Item Details field and select an item. Once it appears on the invoice, review or update the quantity and rate as needed. Then apply any discount and select the correct tax. Be careful here, since these fields directly affect the final total. If you need to bill for more than one product or service, click Add New Row to include additional items. Continue entering each line carefully, then review the subtotal and total amount to make sure everything looks accurate before moving on. In the Customer Notes section, add any message you want the customer to see, such as payment instructions or a thank you note. Then fill in the Terms and Conditions section with any standard billing or service terms. If needed, click Upload File to attach supporting documents. Finally, choose either Save as Draft if you want to review it later, or Save and Send if the invoice is ready to go out immediately. Thanks for watching.